Hey Lil, well, we are now up to you know another one's coming. I don't know if you can see her, but she's waiting for another one. You can just see her head there. She knows another one's coming. She's not a silly girl. Here, Bubba. Here, I'm sorry if that camera got in your way. You're going to turn yourself around a little better and Mum get the camera in place a little better. Yeah. Okay. The anticipation on her face. Have you got another one for me? That's my Lil. Like, honestly, that is Lily. Very much Lily. Like I said, times she can stress me out, though very rarely now. Times I'm like, what are you doing, Lily? Make up your mind, sweetie. And then other times I just crack up laughing because she's hilarious. She really is. She's a lot of fun all of the time, my girl Lily. Now, like I say, I love them all. I love them all equally. I think they're all amazing and they're all beautiful. Lily, you know, she's just got that personality that pops, I guess, is the word for Lily. And you know, she's just a snake you can't not take notice of, because she makes sure that you do take notice of her and lets you know, hey, I'm Lily. I'm who I am, and I'm big in personality. And I say all of my snakes have a personality, not just Lily. They all do. Just some have something that's just, yeah, it's what it is. And Lily is certainly that one. Ain't you, Lil? Are you going to push it into the branch? Hold it there while you go down. Oh, you're a clever girl, aren't you? Hey, you're a clever girl. That's all I can say. No denying that one about you. Yep, uses the branch, puts the bum of the mouse on it, and then she pushes her mouth down that little bit further. And then when she's got a really good mouthful, yeah, okay, well, I can get the rest. No problem. But anyway, that's just Lily's third mouth, and yeah, she's got more to go. So, like I said, I'm not going to film all of them, but I'm going to feed her a couple of chicks at the end. So, you know, maybe I'll show you grabbing a chick, and then that will probably be it for the video. So I'll be back later. So now Lily has finished her mice, so I'm going to see if she would like to have, I'm standing on my couch cushions, so not very good at balancing anymore. Once upon a time I was good, but I'm going to see if Lily, I don't know where her head is. Would you like to have a chick? My chickadoo? Where are you? I don't even see where her head is. Anybody see where her head is? I can't. Hello. Hey. Lily. That's her back end. I know that much. Where are you? Can I see you? Where are you? Still can't see her head. It's there somewhere. Well, when you're ready, I see a head coming. I can kind of see it coming. Did you want a chick? Chick? Come on, chick. You're a chick, aren't you? Want to have one? You like chicks. It's not a mouse. We need to come out a bit further, I think. You're not in a good position. What do you think? Chicks? Or you fall? No, I know it's not a mouse. No? Not feeling like it? Not feeling like it at all? What about over here? Is that a better posse? Better position? No, I don't know. I'm just doing my best here. No, I don't think she feels like chicks. She was just into having some mice, and that'd be right because I thought out a couple of chicks, but hey, that's her prerogative to decide she don't want chicks. No? Not hungry? Are you full? Can't possibly be. Can't possibly be. But it is you I'm talking about, isn't it? Hey? You want to try it? Well, you're tasting it. No. Well, there you go. She doesn't want chicks tonight for whatever fussy reason, but just ain't feeling it for chicks. So, no, she really don't want it. She'd have grabbed it by now, guys. So anyway, that's just the short little video of Lily hanging out and having a meal. And she will be going home. So, you know, she only had 6 mice, and that's okay. You know, if she's hungry, normally Lily goes about 10 days, but, you know, with 5 mice, she might decide that she's a little bit hungry in 7 days. And if so, I'll feed her in 7 days. Okay, Lil? Is that alright? No, it's not a chick, it's the camera. Right, guys, I'm going to say ciao. Take care of yourself and your family, your snakes, or any pets that you have in your life.